Stop scrolling if you want to unlock the powers of AI superpowers. Here's how you can build your own GPTs at home. Welcome to AI and Blockchain, the channel where you find the newest AI tools and where we discuss the newest AI technologies. Today, you're going to learn how to build your own GPT. And then I'm going to show you the best GPTs that have already been built. So stay tuned all the way to the end. There's a lot of content there for you. So let's get right into it. For this, you need GPT Plus, so you need the $20 subscription, but then you can build your own chatbot, your own GPT, and enter all your files and enter all your prompts, and you can share this link, you can embed it into your website, and you can use this GPT from then on. So what you want to do is you want to log in, you want to get the description, and at the start it's going to look like this, My GPTs. You can click here on Create a GPT, and then you're going to see here on your left side your GPT builder. So this is basically a chatbot where you can enter what you want to do. On the right side you're going to see the preview. For example, I would like to build a chatbot that gives me YouTube video ideas for my YouTube channel. You just click on send message and then you have the GPT builder, and this builder just builds your GPT. So it's updating the GPT in the background. So the first step is it has given it a name, which is Idea Stream. Does that sound good to you? That sounds good. The next step is it's gonna build us a profile picture. And it has already established here on the right side, I provide unique YouTube video ideas tailored to your interest. That's amazing. And when you can see down here, it has already also prepared 4 prompts for us here. And there you go, here is the logo. I love that logo. Let's take it. So now it asks me, let's fine-tune how IdeaStream will interact. What kind of video suggestions should it be emphasized, and are there any specific types of suggestions that should be avoided? So you can give it specifications what should be in those prompts. So I just said to it, let's provide ideas that will go viral in any case. In the preview, you can check how it looks like and you can always try it out. Let's wait until it's updated and let's try it out. Now it has asked me, great, IdeaStream will now focus on providing viral video ideas. How detailed should these ideas be? Would you like a brief overview, or should the chatbot include potential titles, descriptions, and even a basic outline or script suggestions? And I've just answered, in every answer I would like 5 suggestions in a bullet point list. So it's going to update this in the background too. The behavior is updated, the detail level is set. It asks about how it should sound. Would you like it to have a friendly and casual tone, or something more formal and authoritative? Formal and concise. Okay, 2 more things you want to check out. Here's a configure tab. You can also click it, you can put in your own name, you can change the descriptions, you can change instructions, you can change those conversation features here. You can say if it has other capabilities, like for example web browsing or DALL-E, or if it has access to the code interpreter. You can always check those configurations here. And one more thing, you can also upload files. So if you have data you want to implement and that you want GPT to access, you can always click here and you can have some data uploaded. We're not going to do that now. Now it's time to try out the new chatbot. So what we're going to do is we want a video idea. So I need a video idea for a YouTube channel on AI and blockchain. Let's see what it will deliver. Certainly, here are some structured video ideas for a YouTube channel focusing on AI and blockchain. And as we have predefined, it gives us 5 bullet points here and shows us really good ideas on YouTube videos. And there you go, it's so easy to create your own chatbot. The last thing you want to do is you click on save up here. You can save it only to you, only with people with a link, or you can change it to the public so that anybody can use it. You could even give it a new domain here. I will save this now to the public and you can try it out if you want. I will link it in the description below. And there is IdeaStream. I could use it now just in my own ChatGPT. Isn't that amazing how quickly that was? But the cool thing is, it's now open to the public and people all over the world have started building amazing GPTs. So here are the best GPTs I've found so far for your success. You can immediately access them. I'm gonna link them also in the description and we're gonna try them out now. Let's take a look at what amazing things people have already built. One person has already built the viral hooks generator GPT to write scroll stopping hooks for short form content. I love that actually a lot. Let's create a viral hook for a video like this one on how to build your own GPTs. Let's check it out what the viral hooks generator generates for us. Stop scrolling if you want to unlock the secrets to AI superpowers. Here's how you can build your own GPTs at home. I mean, how cool is this hook? Maybe we could use it actually for this video. So you see, that's really amazing. That's the viral hooks generator. That's one GPT that has been built. Let's try another one. This is the Simpsonize Me. I turn photos into Simpsons style art. So we're gonna upload a picture of me and let's just upload it and see what Simpsonize Me is going to do. And there you go. There is the picture created that seems to look a little bit maybe like me. I'm not too sure about that, but you can try it yourself. The Simpsonize Me GPT link is in the description. Let's try another one. That's the Socrates GPT. I was a Greek philosopher. Share a thought and let's unlock a world of critical thinking. Let's ask Socrates what he would say about artificial intelligence. So they might have put like the writings of Socrates into this GPT and it is actually involving me now into a dialogue. So it asks me actually, if I would speak to an artificial intelligence, what would you ask it? What are you curious about it? Its existence or capabilities. So it actually involves me into a Socratic dialogue. I love that very much. You can try that too, that Socrates GPT. The logo GPT, design personalized logos from sketches. So let's create a small sketch like this. So I've just created this sketch, let's upload it here, and as soon as it's uploaded, we're gonna try out what logo GPT can produce for us. This is very exciting, I would say. By the way, if you want to join the biggest AI community in the world, go to brisk.ventures and fill out your data there. You will get this ebook for free, the GPT for Business. It's $24.99 on Amazon. You will receive it as a free ebook if you join today. Put in your name and your email, join for free the free Brisk community, do that today. Okay, great, you've uploaded the sketch. Now please choose a logo style from the following list so we can proceed with transforming your concept. That's interesting, it asks me what style of logo I would like to have. Let's take minimalistic tech. Then it asks me if I would like to include a business name. I don't want to include a business name. What background color would you prefer for your logo? Let's take black. And it's creating the images. And there you go. So I've uploaded this image here and it has created this minimal text style logo. I mean, how amazing is this? I love this GPT a lot. It's the logo GPT. You should definitely try it out for your next logo creation. But wait, there's more amazing GPTs for you. For example, the Super Describe. Upload any image to get a similar one using DALL-E 3 along with a detailed prompt. For example, we're gonna upload the last thumbnail from the last YouTube video and we're just gonna click on enter and Super Describe is gonna take this picture and perform magic. And there you go. It has produced a similar style image. How amazing is this? Let's try if it can also use this graphic here and make a similar graphic out of it. And look at this. I mean, it looks quite similar. I love that. That's really cute. I mean, the style is a little bit different, but you can still like copy styles with this cool GPT, super describe. I love that. Let's try one more. And this one is really good if you want to sell something. It's called Sell Me This Pen. Create a second-hand marketplace listings based on pictures. Start by uploading a picture. So if you want to sell something, just upload your picture there. So I would like to sell this robot here, and Sell Me This Pen GPT is going to give me a listing for this robot. Look at this, there you go. Futuristic companion robot for sale. Step into the future with your very own AI companion. As the day grows shorter and the nights longer, what better way to light up your home than with the glow of cutting-edge technology? This charming robot isn't just a conversation starter, it's a futuristic friend ready to make your winter evenings more enjoyable. Oh my god, how good is that? Specifications, gadgets, brands, color white, country of origin, price suggestion. Let's find out what similar products are selling for on the market, on the secondhand market. To give you a competitive price suggestion, I will check online marketplaces for you. It browses with Bing and it looks if it finds now those robots, like a similar robot to sell, to get you the price points. I mean, how amazing is this? So this is just a start. Imagine where we're gonna be in a year, in 2 years, when ChatGPT, when OpenAI is going to start with their marketplace and you can sell your GPTs, when you can put many GPTs together and make a huge GPT. How cool is this going to be? This is really the future and you can feel it coming. And it has come up with some price suggestions here. The high-end models such as Real Doll Harmony X companion robot are priced around $5,999. So it has also given like the sources here, which is really amazing. So you can click here and take a look at the websites. So the price suggestions, it gives you now a price suggestion. So this was how you can build your own GPT and some ideas. I hope you got inspired. Create now your own GPT and let me know in the comments on what you have created. See you in the next video.